my brother taught me how to taste the bag. Get right in the field.
Prediction for GJ start sell already. UJ. See?
I just wanna go get one more bag with my nigga. Wanna be rich forever for my dog. Wanna take you on your first trip on a private jet. I vow to always ball until I fall. And we been on this money shit for years. Gotta drink this mud to make the pain go away. I've been dropping these codeine tears. Praying right here it don't go insane today. We was in a high speed, like fuck the static. He wanted the rollie, I wanted the paddock. Gotta get the safe, my nigga, fuck around and drag it, yeah. I done seen a lot of shit behind these glasses, yeah. My life going through many different phases. Gotta keep the gun on me, can't go too many places. Renting V12 just to mimic drag races.